Hey guys, so we just celebrated Leilani's 3rd birthday on May 19th, and we're still in full quarantine here in New Jersey. So we had to be creative of how to make her birthday special. I had to use things that we just had lying around the house and just wanted to make it really exciting for a 3-year-old. We also did the toddler challenge, so check out the results. Hey guys, so right now it is almost midnight before Leilani's birthday, and I'm up blowing up balloons to make a little garland, and I got my little balloon blower up machine, and I think I'm going to attach them from the 2nd floor onto the 1st floor on the staircase, and that way Leilani can wake up to her 3rd birthday tomorrow. It's a quarantine birthday, so doing whatever I can with the stuff around the house. So yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday. You don't want to wake up? Open your eyes.
Cheese.
Look at mommy.
What is that? It's nothing. It's nothing.
It's not nothing.
What is it? Hey, where's the balloon up there? Can I get it down there?
Grandma got you a balloon. You hold it?
Hey. Look at this big guy.
Who is that?
That's only Goofy.
Goofy. Yeah, it's a coloring book. Who got you that? Grandma, look at the balloon. What are you doing? What'd you get?
I got these.
What is that?
Oh,
It's a paint set. Art set.
it says it.
More sprinkles?
Making pancakes. Part 1 of the birthday cake. Breakfast for Leilani. Sprinkle pancakes. Pancakes, the first cake of the day. With sprinkles. Mommy, you have pink sprinkles in your pancakes. Mommy, birthday pancakes. What is that? Pancakes with sprinkles? With pink sprinkles? Here we go. So.
Too much.
Too much?
Yeah.
Special birthday pancakes.
Oops. Let me eat it. Happy to.
Julian. Leilani, it's your birthday.
And
Happy
strawberries
birthday.
and blueberries.
Look, Mommy has strawberries and blueberries and blackberries and raspberries, okay? Wait, but you can't eat it. Mommy needs to go to the bathroom, so you have to wait, okay? Can you wait until Mommy comes back? Okay, you don't eat it. Okay, Mommy, be right back.
Wow, love, come back. Does that tiger's head? Yeah. your music. First, a space. Now I put it around and I sew. Now it's closed.
Did you eat any? Did you take any?
Nope.
No? Okay, you can have it. Happy birthday.
I
Did you put sprinkles?
Yes.
Happy birthday. I love you. How old are you today? How old is that?
3.
3. Yeah, good job. Making a cake.
I'm making a cake.
Birthday cake. Right from Target, $1. Mix it up. Mixing the cake. Birthday lunch. Honey, what do you have for your birthday lunch? What are you eating?
Fun.
Rice. Fun. Yep. Happy birthday, Leilani. Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
She's
Leilani.
hiding.
Happy birthday to you.
Lonnie, come here. Okay. All right, ready, guys? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leilani. She got her eyes closed. Happy birthday to you. Lonnie, be careful of fire. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leilani. Happy birthday to you. Or blow the candle, Lonnie. Coronavirus.
She needs help with this part.
Did you guys see the thing catch on fire? It caught on fire and I had to blow it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. As you can see, you don't really need a lot of things to make a 3-year-old happy on her birthday. You just need some stuff around the house and just kind of make it special and out of the ordinary for her. Originally, we were gonna have a big party, but unfortunately we weren't able to do that. Whether or not we're gonna get to do that in the future after coronavirus, we'll have to see. But it was just a lot of fun just to have her make it as special as for her the whole day. I'm glad that we were able to use technology to have a virtual celebration so that friends and family were able to wish her a happy birthday and sing along while we did her birthday songs. And I think overall it was a birthday success. So happy birthday, Leilani. We love you so much. Mwah. Bye.